Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, with a beautiful 6-week post-op result on breast surgery that I'd love to share with you. Let's check it out. Recently, she came to me for correction of a capsular contracture on her right side here, as well as an asymmetry of the breasts, and lastly, she wanted to switch over from saline to silicone gel implants. We dropped the left side down to 385 cc moderate profile implant, and on her right side we used a 435 cc moderate profile implant. As you can see, she's got a gorgeous shape and symmetry. This is what I would call LA natural. We improved the symmetry, we've got a great shape here. The incisions are beautifully concealed in a little crease, perfectly positioned here. One thing I can't show you because of the social media rules, but she had a little bit of implosion of her scars here from the capsular contracture. In some cases can tighten and pull that and create an indentation there. When we cleaned out that capsule and used an inframammary incision here, it made it less likely that that would occur. And so far it looks like we got the job done with a gorgeous result. This is a 6-week post-op result from a right-sided en-bloc capsulectomy. That means removing the entire capsule in addition to the implant and replacing with the newest generation Gummy Bear cohesive silicone gel implants on both sides.